Soldiers of the Russian 810th Marine Brigade near Lyubimovka in the Kursk region were forced to retreat to their previous positions after an attack by a swarm of Ukrainian FPVs.
Прямо напротив зеленых ворот, там Динару затаскивали.
A column of Russian vehicles stopped on the side of the road. Seizing the opportunity, Ukrainian pilots reminded them of basic military logistics. Never stop a convoy mid-route, and always spread out your equipment. The 14th Regiment struck them with cluster munitions. Another pack of Russian prisoners of war. It means Ukraine is advancing in Kursk. The Russian painted their UAV Zala black and applied Ukrainian yellow-blue liveries. Oh, and yes, there are also German crosses. Not sure how many are still alive after their propaganda video on motorbikes.
Мотоклуб «Ночные пиздюля». Запрещенная на Украине организация. Посмотрите на эти суровые лица. Все они абсолютно миролюбивы. Особенно вот он. Поэтому не надо их бояться. Можете выходить, сдаваться им в плен. Они вас не обидят, прокатят на заднем сиденье.
The soldiers of the 3rd Assault Unit showed the results of their work in the Kharkiv direction. Armored vehicles, trucks, and cars were burned, and the Russians' anti-drone defense did not save them. In one of the units of the Russian armed forces, the commander decided that the soldiers did not need the Lada and ordered it to be destroyed. The vehicle was handed over by volunteers from Kalmykia. Another video of the destruction of a second Nivea on the order of the Russian officer, Zaporozhye area, for using a vehicle without combat order.
Обгорел.
A warehouse of spare parts is on fire on the outskirts of Moscow, but the locals heard a detonation. The fire is likely to spread to the gas station, which is located nearby.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.